Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Midjourney, and you're probably wondering, hey, why aren't you in Discord? Here it is. Midjourney has come to the web. Midjourney has created a website that is mostly functional, or I'd say partially functional. It's a phase one, so it's the first iteration of their website, and it has a lot of things going for it. Unfortunately, you can't create on the website yet. It's still grayed out, but it is coming soon. I'm not sure when that's coming. But there are still a few really cool things you can do here. So let me just give you a quick overview of what's here. So first off, I'll put a link in the description below so you can go there and check it out if you want to use it. Next, on the left side, pardon me, you're going to see Explore is by default, it's selected. We can search different prompts. So on the right side here, you'll see the little search magnifying glass. If I wanted to do something like Macbeth, watch this. I'm going to hit enter. Look how fast that is. This website is fast. It's user friendly. So it's got a lot going on there. And if I just go through it here, I've basically got access to all the different stuff that people have created about just this alone. So here we go. So let's say I like this here. I like this one here. It says this is a cool looking poster that I might use. So here we go. It says here now on the right side, you'll get the complete prompt, including the aspect ratio. So if you wanted to try and take a crack at it or modify the prompt, go ahead. You can click on these three dots or ellipses, and you can do some things like copying the prompt. You can copy the job ID. You can copy the image URL, which is nice. You can report it if you want to. I wouldn't do that. And then, of course, you can download this image. So because AI images are basically, they're open to everybody, you can download other people's images or try their prompt and give it a crack, just like I did there. So very, very cool stuff. Again, very searchable, very cool. If you go over to the left side here, when I click on my images, we can go a little further here. These are some of the images that I made. So I was trying to make some Halloween poster for the upcoming Halloween, and here's one of the images that I really like. So here you go. And it's a very simple thing. When I click on it, clicking on my images, it goes through the images that I created. Now, normally in Discord, this would create a 1x4 grid where you get 4 images, and then you've got to go ahead and click on one and download it or upscale it. But on the website, you don't really have to do that. You just go ahead, it takes all 4 images and puts all 4 of them on the website. So I like this one here. So again, same type of thing. You'll see what the prompt I use. I can download it. Bang, I've gone ahead and downloaded it, and there it is. It's in my download folder. Let's see what else we can do here. Just really quickly here. Again, copying prompts, very, very important. If you want to try out different modes, it's got light mode, it's got dark mode. And yeah, I mean, you can rate images as well. Another really interesting thing. If you don't have a lot of fast hours, if you rate images and you're in their top 2,000 daily rankers, for example, they'll give you I believe it's 1 fast hour, which is actually quite a bit. So again, if you want to go in here and start rating images to get more fast hours, you can go nuts. And that is really all there is to it. Again, links in the description below. Midjourney is feeling the heat. DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion and all these other guys and gals are coming after them. So they're up in their game, and now they're on the web. Thanks for watching.